Finding the best qualified carpet cleaner is vital since everything will depend on the sort of service that you will be offered. Keep in mind that the service you obtain is only as good as the company that supplies it. Prior to employing a carpet specialist, you need to consider some pointers like getting hold of references from neighbors, friends, or other forms of referrals. Try to find testimonies from past clients of a particular carpet cleaning company. Afterwards, try to review all the information that you got from the clients. Although there is no such thing as a perfect business, you have to have background data about the companies in your checklist in order to find out one that you think will provide better service for you. You can find information regarding this matter in the Better Business Bureau. You can also research about the details of the company's service. Does this company have complete tools and equipment that can clean your carpet? Do they offer insurance if something goes wrong upon applying the service? Are their cleaners trained and certified? Again, if you are unsure and want to hear the comments straight from the client's mouths, you can ask them about the good and bad points of their job. Now, after picking your choice of carpet cleaner, try to determine what written agreements are indicated by the company. Read through it and double-check their terms and conditions. You can take note of them and try to research whether the deal is fair or not. Don't be satisfied until you and the company of your choice meet at a point of agreement. Of course, always prepare alternatives in case you are not satisfied with the deal. Just make sure you haven't signed any contracts yet. When dealing with a carpet cleaner, you should always treat him or her with all the respect. Professionalism abides by the old mantra, do unto others what you want them to do unto you. Oriental Rug Care New York takes this mantra into consideration. This is why we take into consideration all our clients' needs. We give utmost importance to customer satisfaction. With 37 years of reliable experience in the business, our expertise is unquestionable. If you want to find out more about us and all the wonderful things that we can do for you, call us now and we'll give you what you need.